Hello friends, our subject operating system has practical 12. Write shell script to find out whether the given file exists or not. In Unix, data and programs are stored in files. These are organized in directories. A directory is a file that contains other files or directories. It can be done to find out if a file exists or not on a file system with the help of bash shell and if command. These are the program outcomes of practical 12, and this is the practical outcome, that is, after completion of this particular practical you will be able to write and execute the shell script to find out whether the given file exists or not. This can be done by writing the shell script using the test condition, and also we are required to write if-else statement to check the test condition. These are the some file test operator. -a with the name of the file will return true if the file exists. -b and the name of the file will return true if it is a block special file. -c and the name of the file will give us true if it is a character special file. -d and the name of the file will give us true if the file exists and it is a directory file. -e and the name of the file will give us true if it is a file exists, and -f and the name of the file will give us true if it is a regular file. Okay, so we will execute our some script so that we will get the exact idea of how the shell script is written to check whether the given file exists or not. So for that I will use my VI editor and write the name of the file. Let us say practical12.sh. So this is the file, blank file. So to insert the statement into this file we need to be in insert mode. So I will press I. Now it will show here that I am in insert mode. So I will write my first instruction to read the name of the file. For that I will give the message to the user using echo statement. So here I will write enter file name. Now read the file name. So I will read the file name. After that we will use our if condition, if with -f option and the name of the file. Now we want the value of that file name, so I will use $fname and close the square bracket. Then if this particular condition is true, then it should display echo file exist. Else it should echo file does not exist. And here we will perform end of if. Now we will save it and will be out of it. Okay. Now we will use our ls command to check what are the various files and directory present into the home login. So abc file is there. So we will execute our script shpra12.sh. So here it will ask me for the name of the file. So I will get the message file exists. Suppose I will again execute it and give the name which is not there. Let us say ACB. So it will give me message. Is it there? ACB. ACB. I think it's not there. Then how it has given? Let us check our script. Yeah, I have given here wrong name. now it will work. For ACB, oh yes, there should be space here. So first I will enter in insert mode, and then I will save it. Now I will execute it, and I will give ACB, so it will give me file does not exist, and we will try again ABC, so it will give us file exist. So this is all about the checking whether the file exists or not exist. Now for the same, suppose I want to check whether it is a directory or not. Okay, so given file name is directory or not, for that I will use -d option. I will save it and will execute it. Now from here you can check that there are 4 directory. So I will execute my command, script, and will give here kkWp. Now as it is the directory, it will give us the, it is means we need to change in echo that directory exists. Let's do that. Just change this message. So it will work now, give us proper message. So directory exists, and suppose I will give another file name, let us say ABC again, it will give directory does not exist. Okay, so in this way we can identify whether the regular files or directory present in the home directory or in any directory or not. Here we can also find the list of various ordinary file and directory in present in our current directory or the home directory. For that we need to write our script. We will use for loop for that. So I will remove first unwanted lines, and here I will use for. I will take one variable, let us say IT in a star. After that I will use do. Now here I will check if it is a ordinary file. Okay, so if it is the any variable, now let us say it is IT. Okay, then it should echo it. It should echo the name of that file. Okay, so just display the name of that file. Okay, so in this way it will work, and here I will complete do loop with done. So we will execute this. So it has given me the list of all files which are present in our current directory. Here it is not giving the name of the directories. See, kkw, only kkw is not there, and also A1, A2, A3, these 3 directories are not there. So if I want to display only the name of the directories, for that again I will require to do changes, use the option -d. So this will give me the list of directories. So I will execute. So it has given me the list of directories which are present in our home directory. Now we are having the another question that we need to first check whether the given file is present or not, or whether it is the directory file or ordinary file. And if it is the directory file, we will display the message that it is a directory file, and if it is the ordinary file, we need to use our switch case in shell script, and we are having 3 cases. First is to copy the file, second is removing the file, and third is renaming the file. So we will try this particular script. So first I will delete unwanted line. So I have deleted everything. Now here I will ask the user to enter any name of the file. For that, echo enter any file. Okay, So first need to read that file, let us say if name. Now I will check it with if again. So I will use here -d option. So here if it is true, then I will echo that it is a directory. Yes, else we will echo that it is a regular file. So if it is a regular file, we have to use our switch case. Okay, for that we have to first create menu. So I will create menu by echo statement. My first choice will be copy. After that, second choice is remove. Third choice is rename. Now fourth choice is default, or we can say exit. Okay, or a default. Okay, now here I will read the choice. For that again I will use echo statement. Enter your choice. Now here read the choice. Now I will use my switch case statement here. So case, after that case, after that we need to write ch variable in, and on the next line we will write down our case 1, and in that round bracket, and here we need to write what is there in the case 1. Okay, so we need to copy. Okay, so for copying, suppose the first enter file is our target source file, we need to write here the name of the enter the name of the target file. So we will write the echo statement, echo enter target file. Okay, so read that target file name, and here we will use our cp command, cp. Now the source file is our f name and the target file is okay tar. So now we will display both the file with the cat command. Here we need to write $sign again, and after that cat $tar. So this will display both the files. Now we will write our second case. What is our second case? Now see here, when we are using our switch case, so at that time at last statement we need to give semicolon. So this is indicating that there is a break, just like in our C language. Okay, so now here my second choice is to remove the file, means given file. Okay, so we can either remove this particular file, or we can ask the user to remove enter the name of the file that he wants to remove. Okay, so I will write that echo enter file to delete. So I will first read that file name, read, and again we can use same variable as star or any other variable also. For removing we are having the command rm command, and name of the file that is star. Now here we will not use dollar. Okay, because we are reading the value. Now we are using that in our rm command, so we will write it that. Okay, now again I forgot to give the semicolon. So here our third choice is to rename it. So for renaming, again I will use echo. Now rename is performed with the mv command. So mv command means we need to again read the target file where we want to move the f name file. Okay, so enter new file name. Now suppose I will read that. Let us say new. So here we will use mv command. The original source file will be fname, and the target file where I will move it is the new one. Okay, so that I will do. After that we are having here default. Okay, again I forgot to give semicolon. So here for default also we need to give semicolon. So here is you can give any echo statement also, and our switch case will end with ESAC, which is the end of switch case. Okay, and after that there is end of our if. Okay, so this is all about our script. Now we will execute it. So it has given me the prompt for entering the file. So I will first give the directory, so that it will give me file the message that it is the directory file. Again I will execute, and now I will give the ordinary file name, that is ABC. So it will give me message that it is a regular file, and after that will give me menu and will ask for the choice. Suppose first choice is there. So it has copied that file to the target file. Now it should display something. So I will correct my script. So what happened there? It has copied, but it has not displayed it. Why it is so? So I think I have done something wrong. So let us check. Here we will insert one message. File copied. So let us check now. So I will give ABC. It will ask me for choice, first choice. It is directly showing me the prompt, means it is not entering into the switch case. I think so. So check the script. I have not given here the $sign. That's why it is not entering into my switch case. Okay, so now it will work. So again I will give ABC. Now here is one. So it is asking me for the target. Let us say it is a YYY. So the target file name is here. Now file is copied, and it has displayed the content of the file. These are the contents of my file. First file content is ABC, and the second file content is YYY. Okay, so in this way it has given me the output, because we have written the command cat. Okay, and our statement file copied, that is also displayed. We will again execute it for the second option of removing. So ABC. Now suppose I will give second choice and give the name of the file that I want to delete is YYY. So it has deleted the YYY file. Okay, now again we can use or execute this script for third option, that is rename. Okay, so in our choice is 3. So I will give here the name of the file. Let us say ZZZ. So let us check our ls command. So this particular file has created, and see here ABC is not there, means the content of ABC are moved to the ZZZ, means the only one file is there, but in case of copy both files will be there. So this is the difference between our YYY in our copy and rename command. Okay, that is cp and mv command. So this is all about our practical 12. Hope you all have understood it. So we should stop here.